girl Irene, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my natural hair. You guys wanted natural hair videos, and I'm giving it to y'all, so y'all better watch. No, I'm joking, but y'all need to watch it and share it, you know, subscribe, click that like button. Like, what you doing? Yeah, so like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my natural hair for wigs, basically, like, because you guys always asking questions like how my hair is under the wigs, what I do, all this and that stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys today what exactly I do for when I wear wigs. So my hair is just freshly washed. I took out my braids last night. That's also going to be in a video. If you didn't see that video, stop this video, go to that video, because this video is going to be after this video. So that video is before this video. So okay, it's that. Okay, so yeah, this is my hair freshly washed, no product in it, no nutting. Yeah, so I usually braid my hair in like 6, 8. Today we're gonna do 4 because I don't feel like braiding my hair that long, but I'm gonna still braid them like 4 flat braids to where my wigs will lay extremely flat. We ain't gonna be no Humpty Dumpty over here looking like I got on a helmet and all that stuff. No, we gonna still have some flat installs even with 4 braids. Let's do a length check real quick. Where is my hair at? Alright, I need a piece of my hair. Okay, so. Okay. I'm trying to get a piece of my hair. Alright, so my hair is currently right here. You can say that's almost back to being tailbone length. So my hair is all the way down there. So it's slowly getting back after that cut I did, which I needed. So right now I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into 4. And yeah. Also, y'all, before I get started, this is my favorite detangling brush. This is from Reese Remedies. You know my girl always comes through. She just don't stop. She don't stop. She's on y'all necks. Like, she doesn't stop. This is my favorite detangling brush. I barely get any type of breakage. Sometimes when I brush my hair with other stuff, it gets knotted in it. This doesn't happen. It's real heavy duty. Like, this ain't breaking. This is not melting. The bristles is not melting when I use it with my blow dryer. So y'all go over to Reese Remedies and get y'all a brush. Okay, so y'all, first braid is done. And look how flat this braid is. Like, that braid is flat, and that's because the trick is, do not grab a lot of hair when braiding. Grab literally like a little bit of hair while you're braiding. Also, I tried to show y'all in the video, I got no type of breakage when I brushed my hair with this brush, y'all. My hair was breaking crazy earlier. Also, another tip is you connect, another tip is you connect the braid to the next braid, meaning like you bring it up like this as you're braiding. as you're braiding the next braid coming down, you grab it up and that's it. Flawless install. Feel me? So, y'all, don't come at me. My floor makes so much noise, it blows mine. Y'all don't come at me. My braids may not be perfect, but this will do. This is something quick. This is what I do. And at the end of the day, my install still be flat. Like, so I don't care. Now, what I do after this is I will go in with my famous Reese Remedies hair oil. Listen, all my stuff will be down below. Hit my girl up. Hit my girl up. I go in and I just, you know, put it on my parts. I need a hair moisturizer so when I do my braids, like, it's just, my hair just won't be as dry. Then I go in between the braids. I put a lot of oil in between the braids. Like, just put a lot of oil in the braids. I think I just said that twice, but whatever. So my hair could be really, really moisturized with my roots. Now, usually after this, you will go ahead and do your ball cap method. But I don't do ball cap methods, y'all. I don't anymore. I felt like it was just too much tension on my edges. Being that I always install a wig, I didn't want to, you know, it's just too much. So I wanted to give that a break. So I'm not going back to that. But with this part that's hanging, you're gonna tuck it in between each thing that you connected, basically. So you're gonna tuck that just like this. Then you're gonna go back and tuck it. And y'all, this is how you get a flat braid out under your installs. Now, like I said, I don't do a ball cap method, but in this case, this is what I would do. I'll just put the cap on, put my makeup on the cap, and literally, y'all, that's it. That's how I prepare my natural hair for my Insta videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.